Intraday trading zones. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And today in this video we are going to talk about intraday trading and especially about the time zones that we are using while day trading in the stock market. So first let us understand what is intraday trading. You see, intraday means buying and selling a stock on the same day. That means at around 9:15 when the market opens, you will buy the stock, that is you will take a trade, and by evening before the market closes you will square off it. Now whatever the movement that the stocks makes on that particular day, that will be your profit or loss. And this is exactly what you call as intraday trading. We can say that we are trying to make daily income from the stock market. And you see the time for intraday, that is from morning 9:15 when the market opens up till afternoon 3:30 when the market closes. This whole time is divided into 3 zones. And we will be studying about these time zones in this video to better understand that how can we catch a perfect opportunity while day trading. And you will even understand that why studying these time zones becomes really important for understanding the volatility and momentum in the market. Alright guys, so make sure that you're watching this video till the end, do not skip it. And one more thing, if you are new to this channel or not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do it so that you won't miss any upcoming videos or updates on the stock market and technical analysis. Alright guys, so the first zone is the opening zone, which starts from 9:15 in the morning when the market opens and goes up till almost 11 am. And whenever the market is in this zone, that is from 9:15 to 11 am, we get to see high volatility and high momentum in the market. And this is a perfect time where we can find multiple opportunities to trade in the market. We can trade in intraday stocks, or intraday options will be more better because we have the required momentum and volatility in the market. And so we can trade in call and put options when the market is in this zone. Now this happens because when the market opens, there are multiple traders who want to enter the market and make out some trades. And so this brings a huge volatility, a huge momentum in this zone. And by understanding it, we can surely make use of this opportunity. Alright, so the next zone of intraday is the lunchtime zone. And this zone starts from 11 am and goes up till 1:30 in the afternoon. So as you see on the screen, this is the lunchtime zone, that is from 11 to 1:30, and in this zone the market mostly remains sideways. We don't get to see more of a movement in this zone, and so making out high momentum trades in options into this zone is not at all advisable. So in this zone we just have to stay silent and watch and analyze what the market will do in the next zone. And I hope that you are understanding this concept up till these 2 zones. And let me tell you that this is the first video on my channel which I am making on intraday trading. Before this, I have made a lot of videos on swing trading and positional trading, and this is the first one on day trading. And if I get good response on this video, I am planning to make a series of videos on intraday trading where I will be explaining various intraday concepts like the 15 minutes rule, open high, open low strategy, or the 5 EMA strategy that I personally use for trading intraday. So make sure you like this video right now. Comment down your opinion on what I said. Alright, so now let's look at the next zone, which is the closing zone. And this zone lasts from 1:30 pm to 3:30 pm until the market closes. And you see, this zone is very similar to the first zone that we saw. That means even in this zone, we get to see high momentum and high volatility in the market. Now this is because in between 1:30 to 2 pm, according to Indian Standard Time, there are multiple foreign markets that opens. And so they bring a kind of momentum, a volatility in the Indian market as well. And so we get to see very good movements in the stock. And it is like even here we can trade intraday options and make good returns. So you see, this is Nifty's 5-minute chart, and over here we have the opening zone from 9:15 to 11 am, where we get to see good price action, good momentum and high volatility in the stock. And this gives us really good trading opportunity in the market. The next zone is the lunchtime zone, where the market goes sideways. So trading heavily in this zone is not at all advisable. And the last one is the closing zone. And as well in this zone we get to see high momentum and high volatility and really good price action for making out good trading opportunities. Like as you can see on the screen, this is the 5-minute chart of the Bank Nifty index. And we can clearly see here that we get high volatility and high momentum in the opening zone, and then a slightly sideways market in the lunchtime zone. And when the lunchtime zone is over, that is at around 1:30 or 2 pm, we can see that in this closing zone, we have really great price action for finding various trading opportunities. Now you see why understanding these time zones are really important. If you notice that while day trading in the market, we will have to sit before the screen for most of the times. that is from 9:15 to around 3:30 until the market is open. Now this becomes more like a job than a business. You see, trading is itself a hardcore business and we don't want to do it like a job. So I want you to pick one zone among these three, mostly the opening zone or closing zone for trading. Trade in the market for about 2 to 3 hours maximum in a day, and then you will have your time which you can utilize for doing other stuffs like your job or managing your business, or maybe learning new strategies, systems and gaining knowledge about the stock market on our channel. Yes, and lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video with as many traders as you know, and lastly, to not miss such many videos on the stock market, technical analysis and trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.